How to add items to your wish list on Amazon. Want to keep track of items you're interested in buying later? Adding items to your Amazon wish list is the perfect way to save them for future reference, share with friends, or keep an eye on price changes. I'll show you how to add items to your wish list on Amazon in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon app on your mobile device or go to www.amazon.com on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, start browsing or searching for the item you want to add to your wish list. You can use the search bar at the top to look up specific products or browse through categories. When you find an item you're interested in, tap on it to view the product details. On the product page, look for the Add to List or Add to Wish List button. On the Amazon app, you'll usually see a heart icon. Click on it. The item will be added to wish list. You can access your wish list anytime by clicking on the Lists option at the top homepage on desktop, or tapping the menu icon and selecting Your Lists on mobile. From here, you can view, organize, or remove items from your wish list, and even purchase them when you're ready. And that's how you add items to your wish list on Amazon. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Amazon tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.